Independent People's Commission Anti-Corruption Task Force shall have members like Catholic Church, Protestant Church, former Chief Justice or Associate Justice of Supreme Court, former Secretary or USIC ASIC of DPWH, DILG, DOL, BR, BOC, GSIS, SSS, PNP, EFI, DILG, DOL, BR, BOC, GSIS, SSS, PNP, EFI, DND, DOG, Finance, BBM, DBM, NIDA, PCCI, RDC, and NBI. The Commission shall have inspection crews which are experienced and licensed engineers such as electrical, mechanical, architectural, civil, carpenter, mason, plumber, construction materials supplier, laborer, and foreman. The Commission shall have a gadget that can identify on the spot the correct mixing of concrete cement. The Commission shall have surprise and random inspection by letting an uninterested individual to point out what portion of the project to be tested, whether the contractor used the prescribed angle bar or correct mixing concrete cement. The contractor is prohibited to bribe the Commission by offering food and wine. The contractor is accountable for due to the making substandard project and not finish the project. The finished project is finally approved by the Commission.